What's up internet, welcome to Mo's Garage. So it's been a little over a year since I've restored the Xterra's plastics using ceramic coating, and I think that now it's a good time to go ahead and review, see how well it's held up. Alright everyone, so for this review, what I want to do first is I want to go ahead and do a walk around of the vehicle, just to kind of give you guys my initial thoughts and impressions of what the plastics look like a year after the ceramic coating. And then from there we'll go ahead and we will review what the plastics looked like before the ceramic coat, after the ceramic coat, and then of course a year later, just to kind of see if all of this was worth it or not. So let's just jump right into it. Alright everyone, so to kick off this video, let's go ahead and do a walk around of the Xterra, see our initial thoughts on how this thing has held up over the last year. As we can see right here, the front bumper looks pretty good, but this was actually replaced by the previous owner because they hit a deer. But anyways, this looks pretty good, but it looked pretty good from the beginning. So moving on over here to the side molding. This guy looks pretty good, but you can see some areas are starting to kind of fade. I'm guessing that's where the ceramic coating is starting to let go. Door handle looks pretty good. The other door handle looks pretty good. This little side step area over here, this was one of the more trouble areas that I had initially, so I'm glad to see that this actually looks pretty good. You can definitely see, if you look close enough, some areas where it's starting to fade, but overall not too bad. Now once we get over here to this back bumper, you can see this thing looks like it was never even ceramic coated. Unfortunately, this is a high traffic area. As we open the hatch, get stuff out, jump on it, all that good stuff. So this one looks like it's worn out pretty much all the way. Over here to this other side step, this one looks pretty good, just like the other one. Similar to the other one, this one looked pretty bad initially, but the ceramic coat actually helped it out a lot, and it looks like it's holding up relatively well. Door handle looks pretty good. This other door handle looks pretty good. So this is that side molding that I kind of demonstrated the process, and this one also looks pretty good. So similar to the front bumper, the roof rack actually looks relatively good. This one wasn't as faded as the other plastics, and it looks like it's holding up relatively well. You can see that here the Nissan decal is starting to peel off. I'm not sure if that's a result of me ceramic coating over it, but it's bound to happen anyways. And once we come down here to the cowl plastic, similar to the back plastic, the back bumper plastic, this looks like it was never even touched. This looks super faded, but you can see right here there's a little bit of speck where some of the ceramic coating is still holding on. So yeah, let's go ahead and compare how this looks now as opposed to before I ceramic coated it and then after I ceramic coated it. Alright everyone, so as you guys just saw, not all the plastics faded evenly. The front cowl plastic and the rear bumper plastic, those ones faded the most. The side molding plastics, those ones actually faded a little bit, but not as bad as it was before the ceramic coat. And then of course we have the side step panels, those ones held up the best. And truth be told, I did go back over those a second time, as I had mentioned in my previous video. By the way, if you guys haven't checked out that video, please consider checking it out. I'll have a link up here on the top right hand corner. Overall, I think this restoration method definitely works. I'm very happy with the results. This wasn't something that was sponsored. I paid for this out of my own money, and I got 3 of those little bottles on sale for about $33 each. The whole package was around 100 bucks. I'm definitely going to go ahead and touch up those plastics again, and hopefully this will keep the plastics looking nice for many more years to come. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.